In this guide, I will show with you how you can add your balance in your G2A account. So friends, follow me on this video guide. First, go your dashboard in your account. As you can see here, you will see different options here. Actually, friends, if you want to add your balance, follow me in this video. Go your account, go to your balance. From your balance, you will see this your balance. You have the payment here. Just click tap up your balance and then you will see this page. From here, choose your, for example, you want to add 100 euro and then choose your currency, continue your payment, and then just wait to see this page. From here, you will redirect it to payment. If you want to pay with PayPal or Google Play or Apple Pay, just click Apple Pay. For in this case, pay, you can just click pay with Apple Pay. The free fee is $2.9. Scan this code on your phone mobile and then you can pay with your Apple Pay. Also, you can pay with credit card or something like this, or paysafe card. This is also just click pay with paysafe card and then you can pay. This is high fee, guys. I don't recommend it with this one. Choose a PayPal or Apple Pay. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like, give share this video for more.